Hi, I hope you're all fine. In this video, we're going to learn linear pattern. So let's start. First of all, you have to open a new file. You go to File, a new part, and you click on OK, but I don't want to open a new part now. And then you change your measurement system to whatever you want. I have chosen CGS, and then you select a plane to sketch on. I've selected front plane, and I've already made this part, which is power cord end. So let's finish it together. Okay, I go to this face and I click on sketch, and then I click these lines, and then I select these lines. And I click on offset entities, and then over here I set a 0.4 centimeter, so that's fine. And I click on this check mark over here. Then I select these lines, and I click on convert entities. Then I select line to close this sketch. And then I go to features and extrude boss. This is 0.4 centimeter and it's okay. And I click on check mark. Then again, I click on this face and go to sketch, and I use this sketch and convert it. And once more, I go to features and extrude boss. Point 4, and this one, no, 4 centimeter, and I click on enter key, and that's so. Now we click on linear pattern over here in the command bar. Now we can set up our linear sketch pattern using the options that appear on the left-hand side of SolidWorks. Now let's talk about these options and see what they do and what are they for. First of all, you can see the direction 1. It sets the direction for the direction 1 pattern. Select the linear edge, line, axis, dimension, planar faces and surfaces, or control faces and surfaces, and circle edges, and reference plans. And you can click reverse this black and gray arrows over here, and to reverse the pattern direction. I click on this edge over here, and as you see, the patterns are sketched in this direction, in the direction of the line that I've chosen. The next one is direction 2. If you want to have your patterns in the other direction, in any other direction. For example, you want to have 2 rows of these, you can select this line, and let me, as you see, for the direction 2, I chose this line over here, and we have 2 rows of our sketch, but I don't want it, so I deselect it. I just delete the direction, the edge which I chose for direction 2. The next one is features and faces. In the features and faces, you have to click the feature and faces which you want to pattern. I want to pattern this part of our model and this part. So I just click on the parts over here and this one, or you can select them from this drop down design tree, which is over here. You can find the scale, if you can find the features. For example, these 2 last features are the ones that I want to select, so I click on them. The next one is bodies. It's just like features and faces. The difference is that you have to select bodies that you want to pattern. Okay, I click on bodies and I click on these 2 bodies. The next one is instances to skip. At the bottom of linear pattern options, you can see this. We can use this to skip instances of the pattern. For example, in processing exercise, I want to remove this one. So I just click on these points that are here, and it's removed, and it's not gonna be made. This pattern will be removed, but I don't want to remove it, so I just delete it from this box. The next one is options over here. Full preview or partial preview, and propagate visual properties. You can select or deselect it, but we forgot to talk about these 2 options over here. The first one is the spacing. It sets the spacing between pattern instances for direction 1, and the next one is number of instances, sets the number of patterns instances for direction 1. This number includes the original features or selections. So I change it. And I want 4 of these. I click on the check mark and we're done. As you see, we have patterned that part of our model.
Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more contents like this.